Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Sienna LE. Now this is an 8-passenger minivan in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 traveling on 17-inch wheels. Now some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes roof rails, power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to open that driver's side door first and take a look in the front here. Now right up top you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with some storage that runs along the entire bottom of the door there. Now inside, this Sienna comes equipped with gray fabric seating. Starting it up, we got our key here. Ooh. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, we have these arrows here, and this will help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster here, and this will help you cycle through your multi-information display. Underneath that, you'll find your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, and your speed settings for your cruise control are right behind the wheel there. If we move on to our screen, on the left side, it'll display any device that's connected, your trip information, and on the right side, you have your audio. We can also view the trip information by pressing that, and you can view your history as well. Going into audio on the left side here, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. Underneath that is your climate control system. Here you have your driver, passenger, and your climate control dial for those rear passengers. If we move underneath, this is where you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats, your USB and auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. We can press that button, and you got two cup holders that slide right out. Now to access the side, we're going to press that left button in our key fob for that power sliding door to open for us. Now if we sneak inside here, you can see we are continuing with the gray fabric seating behind the front passenger and driver seats. We have these little extra storage compartments. The second row seats do fold down nice and easy. There's a little handle in the middle. We can just lift that upwards. Seats will fold. We can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Now to access the cargo of the Sienna, there's a little button under the Sienna emblem there. We're just going to press that. That lift gate will open. You can see even with the third row seats up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. Now these rear seats do fold down. It's as easy as just pulling on this little handle here. Seats fold all the way down. You need that nice flat storage space in the back. Like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down. That will always give you that extra bit of room as well. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, backup camera, and the tri-zone climate control system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest 17 on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.